Alright, so this is the front door. And this is the living room. And in this apartment there's living room, dining table, and 6 rooms. There are 2 floors. There are 3 rooms on the first floor and a bathroom. And on the second floor from here on top, and there are 3 more rooms and 1 more bathroom. And there's a kitchen and a balcony, laundry balcony, and a front balcony right here. So we'll start from the living room. Alright, so there's a big couch, coffee table, and a TV, some cabinet to put your shoes, and a mirror. Here is the front balcony, big sofa, and a little bar. There are current tenants living here, so it's more lively. So there's a dining table, water, and a little table. So these 3 rooms, and let's check out the washroom. Okay, it's clean and big. So there you got a shower unit, and a curtain, and a big mirror, and a sink. Great. There's a shelf, hair dryer, and a toilet, and there's a exhaust machine, exhaust fan. Alright. So from this angle, let's have a look at the kitchen. So you got a full kitchen, fridge, and a freezer, microwave, and a sink, and 2 stoves, and a stove fan. And here is the you store some more things here. And right here is someone having birthday. And here is the laundry balcony. So there you can do your, it's a washer right here. Yeah. And follow these stairs, you go to the 2nd floor. There's this thing, darts, and a sofa. There are 3 more rooms here, and here is the washroom on the 2nd floor. You can also see that this thing is an exhaust fan, and a shower unit, toilet, shelf, and sink. Great. So it's quite big, and you can see the decoration on the wall. Right. Alright, let's check out room 1. It's a really comfy room. with green wall. So you have a shelf, some shelves to put some decoration and stuff. And here's the couch and a lamp and a closet. Very clean. And on top is the AC. And there's the window. You got your curtains you can use. And a little table. Right here is the standard double bed. And one mirror. And a desk and a chair. Okay, so from this angle, it's quite spacious for 2 people. All right.